So you've got your staff, you've got your bar lines, your measures, your clefs, your brackets, and your braces. What's missing? Notes and rests. It's time to start learning about the different notes and rests you're going to encounter in chorus. Notes are symbols that produce sound, and rests are symbols that produce silence. To make a note, you need a note head and possibly a stem, depending on the type of note you're going to be working with. You may also need a flag. The note head will either rest on a line or fit in a space. The line or space it rests on will determine its pitch. We also need to look at another concept before we get started: time signature. This is something that appears on the staff next to the clef. It looks almost like a fraction, and it tells you how many beats can fit into one measure. The top number tells you this, while the bottom number tells you which notes are equal to one beat. In this example, there are 4 beats per measure, and the quarter note equals 1 beat. A quarter note is equal to 1 beat of music. In a measure of 4/4, you can fit 4 quarter notes perfectly. Listen to this example of quarter notes as you read the music. A quarter rest is also equal to 1 beat, but it is 1 beat of silence. In a measure of 4/4, you can fit 4 quarter rests perfectly. Listen to this example of quarter notes and rests as you read the music. It is important to count not only the beats for music, but also the beats for rest. Using the method that we practiced in class, try speaking this rhythmic pattern out loud.
1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
A half note is equal to 2 beats of music. In a measure of 4/4, you can fit 2 half notes perfectly. Listen to this example of half notes as you read the music. Rest is also equal to 2 beats of silence. In a measure of 4/4, you can fit 2 half rests perfectly. Listen to this example of half notes and rests as you read the music. Now that we've covered both quarter and half notes and rests, let's combine these and practice singing them. On a la, try singing this pattern.
La, 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 la.
Want to practice more rhythms? Head over to sightreadingfactory.com and click Try It for free. Then click Voice, followed by your voice type. On the next screen, click Customize and select only the notes and rests you want to practice. Then pick your difficulty. The next screen will ask you which notes you want to practice with. To keep everything consistent between our sight reading books and this website, move your arrows to display these 2 notes. Then, under Max Leaps, select Leaps no greater than a third. Click Next and then pick 4/4. Finally, select F major and then Free Play. This will allow you to sight sing along with the piano to verify you are singing the right notes and rhythms. For an extra challenge, pick Challenge on the previous screen. Turn Record on and then click Start. Take a look at the sight reading piece you are given. When you're ready to sing it, click Ready or wait for the timer to decrease to 0. A metronome will click 4 times and then you start singing. If you'd like to slow down the tempo, simply click the downward arrow near tempo until you have a slower tempo.